All right, we've got a 2007 Saab 9.3. This will apply to all models from 2007 to 2011. And what we're going to do is remove this climate control assembly. I bought this on eBay, and replace this malfunctioning one that was originally on this vehicle. It doesn't turn on at all. I checked the fuses and checked the relays, and it's just not working at all. So you don't need to remove the entire trim panel, stereo, and the cup holder. There is a way to access it from the bottom. Basically, all you have to do is use these molding removers that I bought from Harbor Freights for $7, and it's paid for himself. You're just going to lift up one end, and you're going to pop it out like that. Once it's out, one side is out. I'm going to lift the other end up, and pop this side out as well. There we go. Now once the climate control assembly is out, you have to push this tab here in order to remove this bracket. So you push the tab down, bracket swings out, and then the wire harness comes out. So that's a larger 2-wire harness, and this is a smaller 2. Again, push this tab in, bracket swings out, and pull out the wire harness. So the bad assembly goes down, the replacement assembly goes in. Insertion of the wire harness is the reverse. Line it up, just push it in evenly, and then put the locking bracket back in until it snaps. Same for the smaller of the 2. Line it up, push it in evenly, and snap in the locking bracket. Make sure it's nice and firm. Installation, just an FYI, there are 2 recesses, one here and one here, right underneath these brackets, and there's a metal clip that the recesses just clip into. So to put it in, simply lift up, because there is a plastic bar on the bottom, and this has to slide over the plastic bar. So we're going to lift it up over here and then snap it in. Make sure you don't snap it in on pushing these control dials or the buttons. There's one side. There it is. That's it. Now, fire it up. Let's see if this one works. I see the lights on already, so it looks like it's working. Heated seats work. Fan rheostat works. Blinker emergency works. So we're all set. We're good to go. Hope that helps you.